Do you want to learn how to delete your Instagram quick and easy? Well, best believe I got you. My name is Double A and I do a lot of how-to videos on my channel. So I'm going to show you all this on my computer screen just because it's going to be easy for me to just record this and all. So the first thing I want to show y'all is that, or tell y'all, is that whether you're on a phone or a computer, it still should be the same thing, just the buttons will be in different locations. So anyway, first thing you want to do is click the More button. It should look like a hamburger, and then you want to click Settings once you click More. Once you click Settings, you want to click on the Account Center, and it should say Meta with like an infinity symbol looking thing. You want to click on that, and then from here you'll see all your profiles. Under Account Settings, you want to go to Personal Details. Once you go to Personal Details, you want to go to Account Ownership and Control, if you can follow my mouse cursor. Once you click that, you see a deactivation or you see a deletion. And basically, since y'all wanted to delete your account, you can basically go ahead and pick the account that you want to delete. I personally would not be deleting my account. I just wanted to show y'all how to get to this. Deactivating your account does it temporarily, but if you wanted to delete your account permanently, you click the bottom option which says delete account. And then yeah, I hope this was a quick and easy simple tutorial for y'all to follow. This is simple and easy, as you guys can see, and I have a lot of how-to videos on like if you want to kickstart your YouTube careers. I know people want to start in this new 2024. I'll click a card at it, or even download YouTube videos just to insert clips on your videos. But anyway, I'm yapping y'all. I'll see y'all in the next one. Hope this was easy for y'all. I'll see y'all. Peace.